I just got these LEDs off of eBay. They're high power red LEDs that actually came out of a projector. And these things are insanely bright. I mean, you actually should be wearing eye protection when you're working with these. I have them turned down for the video actually. There's the pattern it makes on the ceiling. And I ordered the 3-pack. So you might be asking yourself, well, where's the third one? Well, the thing about LEDs is they have a positive and a negative. And they don't like to be hooked up backwards. So if you happen to hook one up backwards, it will no longer work. It'll burn it out. But I'm going to show you something you can do with it to get it to make light again. Okay, here we are now. You can see I have it attached to my power supply. Be sure to observe the proper polarity. The thing to remember when these stop putting out light the normal way is that you need a bit more power. And some of you may know where I'm going with this, but I have my power supply over here, and let's see, these LEDs usually run at about 8 amps or so. So let's see, probably want to do about 250 or so. That should get it going for pretty good here. Yeah, that'll do it. About 250 amps. And that should get it to light up again. Okay, here we go. I'm about to apply power. What is going on here? Why is nothing happening? Nothing. Let's try hooking it up the other way. It won't go, buddy. Nothing's happening. Maybe I'm not probing it just right here. Let me try. I will get my revenge! You piece of trash! Let's try the direct approach. There it went. See that? Oh, hey, there it goes. There we go, it lit up. Did you see that? That's how you light up an LED that's gone bad. Any questions? Post them in the comments section.